Stops Adderall but drinks coffee at 8 p.m. Shut up, man. Oh, dude, Salt State Music. You make those sick edits, don't you? Have you guys seen that YouTube channel? Salt State, he like edits live streams of producers, makes it so concise. Basically, if you want to get the gist of my bullshit or like any other producer that maybe rambles like me, Salt State, he like edits the videos down to like the most pertinent information, and it's really nice. I'm just so happy that there's people like you that care enough about spreading knowledge to like edit down my bullshit. I'm humbled by that and flattered, and I appreciate you, Salt State. Really, bro. You are fucking doing more than you know. Anyway, stop reposting my shit. I'm just kidding. I'm absolutely kidding. Please, I love your edits. Do them more, because I actually watch your edits of Disclosures live stream when I want to when I don't watch the actual live stream, because those guys, I fucking love them.